It is a 3-in-1 MIG function. So totally you can see there are 2 knobs on the panel and 3 buttons on the bottom, and you have see a big LCD screen on the panel. So normally for MIG machine, they have the basic functions. They need to setting the voltage first, and then choosing the welding speed. So like this knob is choosing the welding speed. But if you have a more different adjust, according to your own needs, you can adjust the voltage and the speed by yourself. This is basic MIG function. It's very simple. And also you see on the middle square, they have the material they can choose. For different material, like the steel with different gas, 25% of carbon and 100% carbon selling, and the Flux-core, stainless, and aluminum C. So different material, you can weld in different materials also. And on the right side, you can see they have the wire size choosing. So choosing the different the size from the 1.2, 0.8, 0.6. So the match the different speed you can adjust. So the minimum the minimum is 2.2 meters per minute, and the maximum according to different size of wire, so they can get different speed. So I guess it's very complicated for Rachel, like so different complicated machines, so many parameters you need to adjust,
so,
right?
Is there an easy way to adjust the parameters?
Yes, easy way. So we have set a synergic function. So we're choosing in the panel. Let's move into this. So the first recommendation, you set in the SYN MIG, synergic MIG function, and in this place, so they will show they will provide 2 kinds of choice. The first one is you choosing the thickness of the workpiece, like this one, according to your workpiece. So you can adjust. You need to measure what mental thickness it is you want, and you set the right value, and you don't need to adjust the voltage and the current, and all the things already set by our program, set in the system. So you can do the application within the MIG torch, do the welding, do the MIG welding directly. So it's a much simple way to using the synergic MIG. Also, we provide another kind of choice. For some professional welders, they might choosing please check back to this panel also. Director, check to the panel, okay. They still have other questions about, they get used to the welding current, not to the thickness of the workpiece. So we can push the button, and you can know that it is the real current. It is. You can preset the welding current, what it is value you want. For example, it's maximum 160, and you push this. It will confirm, and then this is the value of your welding. So you don't need to repeat the setting of the voltage and the welding speed. So it's also very smart design for this kind of things. All these things program is by our software engineer and the welder professional Kai. They do a lot of applications in our factory and preset all this program already into the system by the microcontrol system technology. So everything's already very smart inside. So I guess within this kind of design, Richard already be much more familiar with this machine, to not be afraid to using the MIG welder, right?
Yes, it's very convenient. Just a primary user like me understand it very clearly. And with the synergic mode function, we just need to select the materials we would like to weld and the wire diameters, and then we don't need to adjust other parameters. Just choose the thickness of the workpiece and start welding. It's very convenient for me and for the audience to use. So Frankie, I have another question.
Yes.
What's the spool size for this MIG machine?
Oh, good question. Totally the machine is not so big. On the side we can see that they have the buckles, so they can remove the door, the side door very easily. And the camera can see there we have the mental wire feeder, so they can drive the wire. We put the wire here. There's 5 kilograms. So also we can remove the loose screw and can put 1 kilogram spool inside also. It's no problem. And within the drive feeder, they can drive the wire very fluently through the torch. So coming out within the torch, it's we're moving good application of welding. So and clean, it's very easy to close the door and prevent from the short circuit break. So this is the basic things for this machine. And I also showing that in MIG model. I'll come back to the panel, please. And please, camera, to show the panel. You see in the right place, we still provide another kind of choice. So when you're doing the welding, so they can get in the material to adjust the inductance. So the feeling the soft arc or the hard arc. So depend on the different using habit. So you can adjust by yourself. So it also provides another kind of choice for professional users. And this is for MIG model. But also, when we mentioned the machine is 3-in-1 function, so when we're choosing, we still have another 2 kind of application. One is, this is MIG. Next one is MMA, is basic MMA function. Just like this morning we have the machine. So the basic is to adjust the current, like from the minimal 10 to the maximum 160. And the other side, you show that this have the arc force. So the same function like the MMA, the very basic ones. We can adjust from 0 to the maximum 10. So just using as a MMA function. So buy this machine and keep at home, so you can saving a lot of cost and application for different kind of home job.
Yes, we know the expense for buying a new house is very expensive in Chinese domestic market.
Yes, you make the point. And also, the machine also can work with the tick function. With the tick function, the same output in MMA. The same, if the machine is a 200 machine, so the output of tick output will be also 200.
Oh, Frankie, I see some audience leave their comments. They would like to know if we can use this machine to weld aluminum.
We can provide this kind of optional choice to the customers. We have to add in the connection for the spool gun within the small aluminum wire, so you can weld in the aluminum applications. But we need to have to add in some adjustment function into the machines. Also, we need to put a switch on the panel so you can check. You can change when you want using the spool gun and when you want using normal gun to welding. So right now we're using the basic one is like this torch. It's a basic torch. So you can welding mostly almost 90% of application to use. And this torch is similar like the 15AK the torch, like the original is a Binsar brand. So right now we have also provide different kind of brand torch. So we can also buy this and for our customers.
Well, I like this machine very much. If you are interested in this machine as well, please leave your message here and our assistant will send you more details.
Oh, that's right. And also, you see, we put this machine on the small trolley. This trolley is help you to moving very easily, so provide more portability, so you can move into any place you want. Another thing is that the machine is not so heavy. I can help. You see, I'm not the muscle man, but I can still take it easily. So it's not heavy machine, so still can move into any place you want. But within the trolley, it will be moving more easily. And on the trolley, you see the back. On the back, they can put the button of the gas button on the side, and then you can move in the bottle and within the machine together. So it's very useful too. And also, normally for MIG machine, we will have using within the bottle. Within the bottle of gas, we need using the regulator. we need to regulate the pressure of the gas. So you can choosing different, like what I said, with different material of the percentage of using of the gas, like 20% of the carbon or 100% of carbon. Depend on your using of the cost, how you want to using the air, and application is different, right? And
Yes.
also provide this kind of a product as a sales, as product to you. If any interesting product, please feel free to leave the message and we can give you the contact so we can cooperate with you for consumable things as well. Also, we provide the gloves. This is two gloves will provide enough protection for MIG welder, because MIG welder will have the much more heat, and when we're using the glove, and the welding can protect your hand, protect your air more easily, and the material inside is very good. So when you're getting this within the torch, and the face do the actual welding, and we're getting less hot to feeling on your hand. So it's also a very good tool for you to welding. So I guess most of the people need this one, right?
Yes. So
Okay.
if you're interested in accessories related with our MIG machine, leave your message as well, and we can talk with each other for more details.
Okay, so that's my part. So what's kind of I guess we still have another video to show to our customers, so they can know what's our design and what's the real machine inside the structure, so the people can get more understanding of how we design this machine and what is the feature function. So our assistant, please show the short video to the customers so they can know more about this product. People can see that in the video the machine appearance is different from the sample we showed to the customer today. But inside structure is similar. We just provide different kind of option choice for the customers. Different elements we can do the ID design.